Pink weeping cherry trees are not only stunning but elegant ornamentals. They are also exceptionally hard and low-maintenance trees. When to plant a weeping cherry tree? Though you can plant it nearly any time of the year, those planted in the spring bloom at the right time. The weeping cherry tree does well in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 8. It is a cold hardy down up to -10 degrees and can do well in northern, western, and southern regions. How to plant the weeping cherry tree? Choose the right spot. You can grow it in full sun and well-drained soil to thrive. 6 to 8 hours of good sunlight daily with some protection from the harsh afternoon sun. Prepare the holes. Dig a hole twice the width of your tree's root ball with some extra width to accommodate the mature tree it will grow into. Plant your tree. Place the cherry tree into the ready hole and backfill with soil, then water it to settle your tree's roots. Finally, mulch the area to conserve moisture. Avoid mulching right under the tree trunk, rather apply mulch all around the adjacent soil. Staking for support. In the first year after planting your tree, stake it with proper support until it establishes a robust root system. The young cherry trees are top-heavy. If not staked early enough, they might collapse under the weight of the canopy and start growing along the ground. Do not plant the weeping tree deeper or mound more soil at the base to keep it growing straight. Ongoing care for the weeping cherry blossom tree. Watering. The most important part is watering about once or twice per week as a general rule of thumb. You can also check the soil. If the topsoil is dry around your tree, it's time to water. A slow trickle with a garden hose is best to use until the soil is moist. In the dry season, water at least twice a week, and in cold season water only once a week or once every 2 or 3 weeks. Fertilizing. By the third year, fertilize your weeping cherry tree with a nitrogen blend. Apply your nitrogen blend in the spring or spread the blend into 2 to 4 equal applications through the spring and summer seasons. Pruning. Remove any old faded flowers to promote new growth in the following season. Prune your tree during dormancy, especially in winter, to remove dead or diseased branches. Always sterilize your tools by rubbing alcohol as a healthy cut during pruning. Pests and diseases. The weeping cherry tree is not affected by any serious pests or diseases. Do not use any harsh sprays, but if you encounter any issues, treat it with a natural insecticidal soap or organic solution. The weeping cherry tree is drought-resistant, heat-tolerant, and stands up to snow and ice. With the proper care, you will have a beautiful weeping cherry tree that blooms with tons of color to elevate your landscape and brighten your day. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.